Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you a new nail art tutorial which is simple yet stunning. Before we begin, let's go over what you all need to recreate this look at home. You will need two nail polish colors in the same shade family, one in darker shade and another one in lighter shade. We also need four dotting tools, one extra large, one medium and one small. If you don't have dotting tools, don't worry. You can use alternatives like the tip of a bobby pin, a toothpick, or even the rounded end of a brush. You will also need a sheet or a palette to pour out a small amount of nail polish for easy application. Finally, grab a clear nail polish or a top coat to seal the design and give it a beautiful shine. Now that we are all set up, let's jump right into the tutorial. Start by painting all your nails with the darkened nail polish. Make sure to cover the nails evenly. By the way, if you are enjoying this tutorial so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative nail art ideas. Your support means so much to me. Once you have painted all your nails, if there is any fallout on the edges, clean it up using a toothpick dipped in the nail polish remover. I am using nail polish remover by Blue Heaven here because it has a non-drying formula that keeps my cuticle and nails hydrated. Once you have finished cleaning the edges and nail polish has dried completely, take a few drops of the lighter shade and place them on the sheet or a palette. Using the largest dotting tool, create small dots in a half circle pattern near the edges of your nail. Take your time with this step to ensure dots are evenly spaced. This will make the design look more polished and professional. Now take a few drops of the darker shade and with the medium sized dotting tool, make smaller dots inside the larger dot, close to the inner edge like this. Isn't it beautiful? Next, use the large dotting tool again with the lighter shade to fill the empty spaces inside the semicircle with more dots in a similar pattern. Once that done, grab the small size dotting tool and using the darker shade, make teeny dots inside each dot near to the inner corner. Finally, take the smallest dotting tool and place a dot in the center to add a finishing touch. Repeat the same process for all your nails. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Perfection comes with practice, and small imperfection can add character to your nail art. As I am repeating the design on all over my nail, I would like to know what you want to see next. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to recreate any specific nail art style or tutorial. Also, let me know your thoughts about this nail art tutorial in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think. Your feedback will help me to improve and to create content that you will love. Once you have completed the design on all your nails, let them dry properly. It's always a good idea to give your nails a few minutes to set before applying the top coat. While they are drying, you can clean up any excess nail polish around your cuticles. Once your nails are completely dry, seal everything with a clear top coat for a glossy finish and long-lasting wear. And here you have it, a stunning nail art design that's super easy to recreate. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.